Here are a few quick tips on how to take good sports photography. Now, number one is you want to have a high shutter speed. A high shutter speed is really important because you're not going to want to get things out of focus, and you want to be able to get all the action as much as you can. Unless you're trying to get the out of focus or some kind of really cool effect, have a high shutter speed to capture all the action, and you won't have blurry objects. Now, number two is have an aperture that's about 4 to 5.6. I found this was the sweet spot because when you have it too high, you're going to get everything in focus and you're not going to get the focus of whatever is happening. So like if a player is in front of a crowd, they're not going to be able to be seen because you're going to get everything in focus. It's going to be hard for people to see. But if you have something where most of the people are in focus, like the team, and then the crowd's out of focus, you get a really crisp shot. Now, number three is the ISO. The ISO I found is between 1000 and 2000 because that's going to be your sweet spot, because most of the time you're either not going to be able to use a flash or people are literally not going to allow you to. So instead you want to have a higher ISO, and you do what you can in editing to make it look like a crisp shot. So I found that 1000 to 2000 is the best range because you'll get a ton of light, but you'll not be getting grainy photos because you have to turn the ISO all the way up in post. Now here's a bonus tip for those who are looking at the screen. Lens, especially for basketball, will allow you to cover most of the court, and for certain sports you might need a longer lens, but this should cover most of your bases because you'll be able to get stuff close up to you, but also stuff farther away at the other end of the court. Follow me for more. Peace.